a fully digital and scalable ecosystem setting a new standard for manufacturing of the future.
We have achieved a reduction in consumer complaints by 65% and improvement of our efficiency by more than 20%.
This has won Philip Morris Manufacturing and Technology Bologna the category Innovate of the Intelligent Manufacturing Award of Microsoft and Roland Berger. Philip Morris Manufacturing and Technology Bologna, or PMMTB, is a global leader in the production of smoke-free alternatives to cigarettes. This 330,000 square meter factory is state-of-the-art in terms of innovation, technology and digitalization.
What is special about the Philip Morris Manufacturing Technology Bologna is that we are the lead site for smoke-free products, and we are the biggest industrial investment done in Italy in the last 25 years, meaning the most digitalized factory you can find in the entire country.
By building this site from scratch, PMMTB has turned a bold visionary digital strategy into reality, from farm to final product, and throughout this factory. Here the raw tobacco is delivered. It is already tracked by cameras and thoroughly monitored. 20,000 sensors are installed throughout the factory.
What is unique in Philip Morris Manufacturing Technology Bologna is that every process step, every semi-finished good, every product is tracked. We are collecting data from each work point and analyzing them in order to achieve zero defect products and the best-in-class efficiency.
The data is processed in a control room like this, where operators and engineers can monitor and adjust any of the process steps in real time.
By visualizing data and trends in our dashboards, this is allowing our leaders to set priorities, take decisions, track the KPIs and immediately react in case of a red result against the target, or to predict the future and plan improvements for the future. Our engineers are using data to provide inputs to machine learning systems, to AI digital solutions like predictive analytics, and to take decisions for our process management.
Every worker has immediate access to the evaluated data for quick troubleshooting and to drive efficiency. The efforts on sustainability, like solar and smart irrigation, have reduced energy consumption by over 35% and water consumption by over 45%. The seamless monitoring runs through all the way to packaging and delivery.
In Bologna, we are keep on piloting artificial intelligence solutions to stay ahead of the game and be the lead site for Philip Morris.
This ecosystem and its scalability has earned Philip Morris Manufacturing and Technology Bologna the Microsoft Intelligent Manufacturing Award.
I've been personally very proud of being recognized by the MIMA award. Everybody in the organization has been super happy to share and to contribute other organizations to get inspired about what we have achieved here in Bologna.